Dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Board Class 6 English Prose Chapter 2, The Good Samaritan. If you want the notes of other lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there. So, the question answers of the textbook summary and notes we are going to study here. First, look at the points raised in the questions given below. Talk about them to your partner, the boy or a girl sitting next to you. Write down what you say. Question number 1. The first traveler gave the robbers a good fight. Answer: not true. Question B. The man suffered serious injuries. Answer: true. Question C. The sight of the wounded man frightened the priest. Answer: true. Question D. Describe the pitiable state of the man in 2 short sentences. Answer: the man lay bleeding to death in dirt. The man could barely raise his hand to beg for help. Question E. I don't want to dirty my hands. Answer: who said this? The second passerby said this. To whom? He said this to himself. Question F. I am sure he is no one I know. Was this a good reason not to help the wounded man? Justify your answer. Answer: this was a good reason not to help wounded man. There is no rule to help others. It is only a humanitarian concern for others in danger. Question G. Who helped the wounded man? Answer: a Samaritan who came walking along the road helped the wounded man. Did this man have a reason not to help the wounded man? If so, what was that? Answer: the man did not have a reason not to help the wounded man. It was his love for mankind made him to help the wounded man. The wounded man was a Jew. Jew and Samaritans were enemies for centuries. Despite this enmity, the Samaritan helped the wounded man. Next question. The fourth traveler had noble and generous feelings. True. There was something special in the fourth man's act of kindness. What was it? Answer: the wounded man was a Jew. The man who helped him was a Samaritan. Jews and Samaritans were enemies for centuries. Despite this enmity, the good Samaritan helped the wounded Jew man. Next question. What first aid did the Samaritan give to the wounded man? What was the beast of burden in the ancient days? Answer: very gently the Samaritan lifted the man's head and brushed the dust butt of his mouth. He took some water and cleaned the man's eyes and gave him some water to drink. He put wine on his wounds to clean them and make them heal quickly. Then he carried the man to the town on his donkey. The donkey was the beast of burden in the ancient days. Next question. The Samaritan was well to do. Give 2 reasons. Answer: the Samaritan owned a donkey and carried wine with him. He gave some money to the innkeeper to take care of the wounded man. Who narrated this parable? Answer: Jesus Christ narrated this parable. What moral lesson did Jesus teach through this parable? Answer: Jesus taught his followers to love everybody, especially strangers and those who are in need of help. Next, focus on grammars. Now, working with your partner, rewrite these pair of sentences as single sentence. Question A. You did not ask me for a loan. Question next. I did not give you a loan. Answer for that are: neither did you ask me for a loan, nor did I give you loan. Next question. I caught the ball at the boundary line. They lost the match. Answer: I caught the ball at the boundary line and they lost the match. Next, she ran very fast. She caught the chain snatcher. She ran very fast and caught the chain snatcher. In word formation, note that the suffix er combines with verbs to form nouns. Working with your partner, write down some verbs and their noun forms. Teach, teacher; dream, dreamer; plan, planner; read, reader; work, worker; leader, lead, leader; wave, waver; win, winner; lose, loser. Then writing part. Write a conversation between the innkeeper and the injured man. Begin like this. The next morning, the innkeeper said to injured man, you lay unconscious the whole day yesterday. How are you feeling today? Much better, thank you, said the injured man. Innkeeper, you lay unconscious the whole day. How are you feeling today? Injured man, much better, thank you. How did I came here? Innkeeper, yesterday a Samaritan brought you here on his donkey. You are badly wounded and unconscious. Injured man, sorry sir, all my belongings were robbed on the way and I was beaten to death. Now I don't have anything to pay your room rent. Innkeeper, not necessary. The Samaritan has given enough money. You can stay here until you become strong to go home. Injured man, oh good. God has helped me in the form of a Samaritan. How nice of him to have helped a Jew who were enemies for over 100 years. Glory to the God high above. Next main, working with your partner, the boy or a girl sitting next to you, and fill in the appropriate words in the blanks. Let us hide behind this tree, said the robber to his companion. Good place. We can see the travelers from this end to that end, said the second one. The road is empty, said the first. We will have to wait, said the second. Next, the Good Samaritan summary in English. The short story, The Good Samaritan, is a parable narrated by Jesus Christ to his disciples. Long time ago, a man was walking from Jerusalem to Jericho. Suddenly, he was attacked by two robbers who beat him up and stole everything he had and also clothes on his back. The man lay bleeding beside the road. A priest came along and saw the man bleeding. Instead of helping the bleeding man, the priest backed away quickly and went on his way. Then another man came along and saw the man lying in the dirt covered with blood. The man hesitated to touch him because of his terrible state and went away. Eventually, the Samaritan came down the road. He came over the man and gently cleaned the man with water and also gave him some water to drink. He cleaned the wounds with a little wine to make him heal quickly. He put the man on his donkey and brought him back to town. Although the wounded man was a Jew, the Samaritan helped and saved him. Jews and Samaritans had been enemies for hundreds of years. The Samaritan gave some money to an innkeeper and asked him to give a clean bed and to take good care of man until he was strong again. After narrating the parable, Jesus Christ asked his disciples which of the three men was true neighbor to the man who was robbed. An expert at Jew law quickly said that a true neighbor of the robbed man was one who helped him. Jesus then asked them to go out and do the same, that is, to help their fellow human beings. Thus, Jesus Christ's disciples understood that he wanted them to love and help everybody, especially strangers who needed help. So, this is all about your textbook question answers, solved grammar activities, and the summary of your lesson number 2 of your prose to English, The Good Samaritan. As I have told you, if you want the notes of other lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.